Asbury Place condominiums. Got an old elevator that's been innovated.
Everything else is original though.
They're the old contacts, I think.
Yeah. Oh geez, this thing's tiny. Like I can barely. This is my arms. Hold on, let me.
Sam's arms.
I can look how small this is. Like I can't even.
reach. I think. Oh,
Indicator doesn't do anything, does it?
This isn't the indicator.
That's funny.
Technically, these are just placeholder. This would be like call cancel, fire service indicator, and fire key switch.
I see.
And then at the bottom, you can see a Dover stop switch. So
it used to be a Dover.
Yes.
Oh, today?
Still is a Dover.
Oh, sorry.
It's just here. Let's get a picture of this COP since it's the only thing to look at in this elevator. It's just like all angled. Ooh. I probably got Sam's weird lighting in there.
Here, I'll show you something you can see from the bottom here. I haven't ridden this thing in a while. Glad to see it's doing good.
Good to see it still runs, right?
No, for real. Half the time this thing's broken.
Yeah, I thought it was broken when we called it.
Nothing lights. Yeah, you can see right there.
Oh yeah, Dover stop switch.
So now ooh, old exit sign. Check this out.